and push it. I'm pulling. This is how you do it. Boom.
You ready to go?
Yeah. Yep. Oh, those things have water.
All right, we're at the Centennial Park, right down the road from their new house. Gonna try to get some fish. The rest of the nieces and nephews are gonna come in a minute. We're gonna try to go ahead and get on them. We got a few worms and some other lures. There's ponds here, there's a creek here. A bunch of stuff to explore.
John, I would not stand there.
Why?
There's 2 holes.
What's gonna happen?
Llamas.
Llama's gonna get me?
And a pig.
Llamas and a pig.
I got the worms.
All right.
Did you get the fishing pole?
We'll get them.
Never met anybody in Oklahoma. So we'll be carrying fishing poles around for a long time. Okay, so we go down that way, and there. I see others.
Oh, there's our first fishing hole right there.
No, it's not. That's the tip puddle. You have to go down on the trail that way. Oh, what was the geese egg? We saw one time we saw a geese egg.
Ow!
Give me a worm.
Hey, watch out. Back up, back up. All right, don't let them take all our worms. Now, when you get a bite, you better press the hook. Remember how to do it? Oh,
I got it.
oh man, I think I cracked this thing. Well, I think we just cracked the lens part on this, and it won't focus right, won't twist. But we got a worm on this hook. Lindsay's ready to catch a fish. She's gonna be the first one to try. All right, back up a little bit. Come back here, come back here. Back here, come over here. Here.
Here?
Yeah, right there, right there. All right. All right, I'm gonna cast it out for you just on this one. Yeah, let's see, let's get a better cast. I saw some bluegill. We gotta get them to come back around. All right, just let it sink. Just lay it on the ground. Right there for now. Whoa, I think you already had a bite. You see that? All right, get ready, get ready. If you get a bite, jerk up on it. Wait, 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 wait. Oh, you see that? No, 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 no. All right. That's what you gotta do. You didn't jerk on it. You know how to jerk it?
Yeah.
Set the hook. No, you didn't do it. You just started reeling it in, laying on the ground. Okay. So when it's laying there, if you see it twitching, you pick the rod up like this, and you jerk it up real hard. Then reel it in. Okay? Oh, they were biting fast, so there might be some good ones. Let's see if we can do this again. Okay. You can just hold it if you want to.
Yeah.
Hold it. Hold it, tighten it up a little bit. If you feel pulling, jerk up on it.
Okay.
Hold it steady. Hold it steady. Get ready, jerk, jerk! You didn't set the hook. Lindsay.
Okay.
Remember?
Yeah.
What are you supposed to do? First thing,
Jerk.
reel it in or set the hook?
Set the hook.
Yes, jerk it up and set the hook.
Do we still have the worm on there?
Yeah, luckily we still got him. He hadn't ate it yet. Don't give him another try. Okay, get ready, it's gonna happen fast. Hold the rod, put this hand up here so you can set the hook. Reel it up a little bit, reel it up a little bit. All right, set the hook, set the hook. You get him? Now reel it in, now reel it in. Oh, yeah. I think you got it.
Yep, I got it.
All right, this time he didn't get away. Pick him up.
So it's stuck.
Yep. Woo!
It's a bluegill?
Let's see, I think so.
Yeah, that's what a bluegill looks like.
It's like I don't know if it's a bluegill or green sunfish kind of mix or something. Let's stick it in the bucket for now.
Okay.
You get some water in the bucket though.
Can I hold it?
Hold on to that.
I can get the
Hold on
water
to it.
in the bucket.
All right, Lindsay got one. Here, put it in here, Lindsay, and we'll show it to the other kids when they get here.
Ew, I think it poked me.
All right, let's go, Sammy. You ready to do it?
Yeah.
Same thing.
Why is there a bait in there?
I'll put it in there. All right, here, hold it up. Hold there. Hold this up here. Tighten it up a little bit. Oh, easy.
I almost got it.
Yeah, you almost got him.
I feel the bite. It will take a few tries like me. But we still have to.
Here we go. Get back over. Hold on to it. There it is. Wait, hold the rod down a little bit. Now reel it up. Tighten it up. Okay, hold steady. Oh, you almost had him. That was a good fish.
That was so strong.
That was pulling. I thought you had that one.
He jerked it as fast as
That was the biggest bite we've had.
Yeah, that was almost like a cat.
Okay, let Lindsay do it. Lindsay, you cast it back out there, and I'm gonna get this and set up for. You can hold it if you want to, but you gotta be looking at the end of it. You can't look at that side. You gotta look at the end. Yeah, just one. Yeah, thank you. You got one, you got one. Jerk. Oh, stand over here, stand over here.
He got it.
Reel it out here, there you go.
I
Get it in, get it in, easy.
I saw one in.
Reel it in, Sammy, reel it in. You got the line all tangled up, reel it up, reel it up. There we go.
That was a fish. The whole entire time I almost had one at the same time. Uncle John, I almost had one at the same time.
Yeah, I saw it bite.
This has a very sharp claw.
Yeah, it's a bluegill.
Yeah, and that is very sharp. So
Yeah.
we both caught one.
Boom, that was a good catch. Let's put him in the bucket.
I do not know we catch the fish. I think they're the same.
Yeah, you ready to do it again?
But Lindy's is littler.
Yeah, you got the bigger one right now.
He does?
Yep.
Yeah.
Check and see. Pick it up, pick it up. Did you get it?
I get one.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I did. I got another one.
Get it, oh, get it up in. You flipped it up on the bank.
I flipped it.
All right. Now reel it up a little bit. No. Reel it up where we can hold it. Easy, easy. Okay. All right, stop. Stop. It's good.
Now we can
Ooh, now you got two and Lindsay's only got one. All right, well hold on to them. Okay.
Yeah,
He's on a tear over here.
This pole is way better.
Think so?
Because this is stronger.
You got the better pole. Let go. All right, I'm gonna cast it. I'm not gonna tell you this time. I keep having to tell you when to jerk. This time you're all on your own.
Yeah, you'll never have to tell me.
Oh, I don't never have to tell you, huh? I think I had to tell you every time. Get any bites over here?
Whoa!
Oh!
That's his third fish.
You're wearing them out. All right, stop. Okay, hold it. Here, look at me. Hold the pole out like this. When it's sticking it out, now reel it in. Hold it sticking it out. There we go. Stop. That's how you do it. See how that?
Yeah.
Man, you're doing good.
I got free.
All right, are you learning? That time I didn't even have to tell him.
Yeah.
He got it all by himself. Do you know how to take a hook off?
Yeah.
All right, this is what you're gonna do. Hold it. Your hands are kind of small. Slide his gills down so they don't get you.
That's what I did.
Push the hook out, and we got another 3 bluegill for Sammy.
Yeah. Her only got, so I got 3 videos.
3 videos? No, 3 bluegill on the video.
Yeah.
Wish our other camera was working.
And her only got 1 video with 1 fish.
Okay. Can you cast it in yourself? Or you want me to cast it in? How about you try the spot over here? I'm gonna put you over here. Sit right here, I'm gonna cast it out here. I think I saw some fish out there.
Yeah, there
Okay.
might be a lot.
Maybe a big one out there too. All right, there he is. Sit down. Hi. You
I
got,
wonder why they're not.
you got all kinds of grass on it.
Oh, that's why.
Did you? No way! He got another one. He's a fishing machine over here.
That's his 4th fish on his own.
I didn't even think, I put him away so we could get Lindsay on one. And he catches one over there on that side.
Wow.
Ooh, he threw it in the boat. Oh, that's a different one. You know what kind that one is? All right, bring it over here. Come here, Lindsay. All right, Lindsay, here's yours. Catch yours.
Why did you just put that in my hair?
Oh, you got a green sunfish on that one.
You
You gotta stop catching fish. You gotta wearing them out.
Can he take a break?
Yeah, you need to take a break. You got one piece of worm, been catching all kinds of them.
I think we can go.
All right, we're gonna throw this one back in there.
I think that it's almost snack time.
Well, already snack time. We just started. We've been here
I know.
10 minutes and you already got 4 fish.
They're almost here. I got one. We almost have ours.
Tighten up your line. You got one. Get ready. Get ready, Lindsay. Tighten up your line a little bit.
You know, her might not get it.
Yeah. You got one. You got one. You got one. Oh, that's a good one. Get it in. Get it in. Lindsay.
2, and I got 4.
Reach up. Step over. Step. Wait, stop. Step up to the bank. Stick your pole out there.
I got
Reach it.
4.
Wait, stop. Don't reel it in like that. You're going to break the line.
It's that big one.
Goodness.
That's the biggest one.
This is a good fish. Hold on.
That's why it was so hard to reel in. It was huge.
Yes, it's huge. Oh my goodness.
Can I get it? Can I get it?
Hold on. Can you hold it?
I want to unhook it.
All right. Let's see. Let's take a look at it. That's a hybrid bluegill, I think. That's a good fish.
Do you know how many pounds that is?
No, it's not a pound. But hold it. Put your finger and hold it by the lip. I'll take a picture on this one. Hold it up there. Squeeze. Put your finger in there. Hold it. There we go. That's a really.
It's huge. I think it's bigger than Sam.
Yeah, that's the biggest one. Hold it up. That's a big old fish. All right, put it in the bucket.
That thing's
Definitely the biggest one in there.
Fish. I mean,
See how? Oh, whoa. Oh, walk up to the bank. Walk up to the bank. Y'all both got one? Oh, you're stuck in the grass. Lindsay's got one. Stop. That's good.
This is another big one.
Yeah, that's a green sunfish there.
I think it looks like the other one I caught.
It's a little bit like it, but the other one was like a mix.
Oh, I thought I caught some
Hold on.
fish,
Come here.
grabbed on the
Give me that pole.
I got something very strong.
You got something very strong, huh?
Yeah. Can I take the hook off?
Yeah, can you take the hook off by yourself? All right, here we go. All right, hold on. All right, Sammy, here it is. I'm gonna leave it right there. Let them jerk on it first. Watch the end of the pole.
I hope.
Let's see if it didn't swallow that. Nope, you got him. That's good. See, hold it like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to push it off sometimes. Push the hook out.
Can I hold it?
Yep, green sunfish. Did you really get one?
Yeah.
You did get one.
So
All right, stop. Listen.
it's very
What'd I tell you to do? So walk up to the bank. Come here. Walk up to the bank. Hold the pole out like this. Hold it like that. Now reel it up. Hold the pole out. Reel it up. There we go. You gotta do it the right way. That's good.
We've got lots of
Y'all are wearing them out. Okay, stop. That's good.
That's how much fish we got. Look.
Yeah. All right, y'all gotta get a picture of both y'all holding these, okay?
They're the same kind, right?
Yeah, they're both green sunfish.
But I think mine's a tiny bit bigger. I can hold it now.
All right, lay your pole down.
I want to hold
Lay your pole down.
Mine's a tiny bit
Put your
bigger.
thumb in his mouth. Hold it like that.
Oh,
Get
not
it.
like that.
Come on.
I hold
Yeah, don't be afraid.
Tight. I was just gonna like this.
Hold it like this right there.
See how I'm doing
Put
this?
your thumb in there. There you go. You got it. One hand. All right. Give me a picture. Come here. Hold them up. Goodness, hold on. Hold yours up like this. Not like that. Yours like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Toss them back in the water. Let's put them back in. We don't need to put those in the bucket.
Okay.
No.
Not
Take it over and just drop it in. Don't throw it in the air. Just drop it in. That's good. Good.
You don't throw it on top.
All right, Lindsay. All right. Well, Lindsay's caught. How many you caught?
3.
3. Sammy's caught like 6. We've been here like 30 minutes fishing this little creek. First time, of course, my first time me fishing it. They've come here a few times. Not fishing though. There's a bunch of ponds.
we
We haven't
have
even
fished
fished the
here,
ponds, but we're catching a ton of fish right now.
That pond we haven't catch.
We may try the ponds a little bit. But
Here once before.
get him. You gotta stand up before you set the hook. You got him though. Hold your pole out like I told you.
You threw it.
Good.
And
Reel that thing in.
You ran.
Yeah. Woo! Good one. Yeah, you got another one. Wearing them out.
take a picture.
All right, well, we're done. We caught fish. Did you get crawdads? Everybody got to run around and do stuff. Everybody got to fish, nice.
Yeah.
Had some fun, different things. So I love coming out to parks and fishing them. And this is a park right by the house. So
Looks like another hybrid.
Didn't even fish the ponds yet. But now you'll know there's a lot of fish in here, right?
There's all these ponds connected that I'm sure they overflow in this creek. And
All right, thanks
they
so
might
much.
stock the ponds with hybrids, I'm not sure. But all these are green sunfish, bluegill, and then a lot are mixed. They may just mix in the pond, in the creek. Good. That's good. Now put it in the water.
Okay, you don't want to keep
No, we don't need it. Just drop it in. Yeah, drop it in right there. That's good.
Mama, this one is just oh, get that.
Yeah, we caught off a bunch. Sammy's been wearing them out. He's already got like 6 or 7.
I got
Must be going okay.
Andrew, I got 7. Lindsay got 2.
We're about out of worms though. We should have got worms.
I got 7.
You just got
I
through
got
at the
7.
bottom.
No, on the bottom.
Wayne's easy.
All right, we're gonna let the other two try to fish for a while.
Is this the? Can we?
Hold on.
Have y'all gone walking back here?
Yeah, we haven't done anything.
Right here.
He didn't want to walk.
Y'all can go walk. Y'all can do something. Or go look at the pond.
We're gonna take the little ones for a walk.
All right,
This way.
we're trading out the two.
Can you try to bring a fishing
Get
pole?
Maddie and Andrew try to get some fish.
You want me to
And
get
maybe the dog.
Uncle John.
What?
I think. Hi. I'm Lindsay. Check.
Leave us alone. Quit touching stuff.
Leave the doggy.
All right, there's one fishing pole for you and there's one for Andrew.
Okay. That's where
You gonna eat that or you gonna fish? What you gonna do? Come on. Put it down. We're fishing, not eating.
Uncle John, can help me fish?
Nope. But I will in a minute. All right, right there. Stop. Set the reel. Gonna lay it down right here, like we did at the pond. Tighten it up a little bit. As soon as you see it tugging, jerk up on it. And then stand up and reel it in. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, good. Get it out of there. Good, Maddie. No help. I didn't even have to help you. That's a little green sunfish or something. Do you take it off?
How do you do it?
All right, hold it. Slide your hand down the gills. See those gills? You don't want them poking you. Slide your hand down, push them down.
Mom!
Out of it. Push the hook out. He's going back in. Next time you gotta get your own.
I don't know.
You gotta get your own off next time. You know how to do it?
So you just grab the gills, then open
Slide it down, hold on to it, push the hook out.
Yep, the big bridge. Are we gonna turn left or right?
Turn. Ooh. Good. You got him that time.
Yeah!
Look, he's catching a fish.
Reel it up.
Yeah!
All right, walk out there.
Get
Stop.
one!
Walk out here. Now reel it up.
Yeah, my fish!
Stop
I
reeling.
got one!
You gotta get out of it. Get out of there. There we go.
Yay! Good job! I almost got one! Good job, guys! Yes!
All right, you want to throw it back in there?
Can I hold the...
All right, toss it back in.
It's wiggling.
Whenever you get a bite, jerk up and set the hook. You did get one.
It's a heavy one.
Whoa! That is a good one. Oh, got off.
Well, I still got it.
That was close.
All right, we're gonna try to find a few more crawdads and maybe we can take them to the pond or to the creek. All right, everybody look, stand still and look around first. Then, while you're standing there, turn over a rock real slowly. See if one comes out or see if there's one sitting under it.
Oh, look at this. These are pinchers from my big crawdad.
Can I have it? Uncle John, I see one.
Hold on. Oh yeah, that's it.
Got it.
Oh no, you missed it.
Yes! Got one?
Yep.
I'm not holding it.
Got another one.
Got another
All right, see how I backed it into the bucket?
There's a little one too. Tiny
Oh yeah.
That is so cool. That is so
There's two.
cool.
All right, I'm gonna put a cup behind it, real calm, at the bottom, and then I'm gonna try to steer it back into the cup. Nope, missed him. I couldn't. He was down the rocks.
Walk over.
Oh, there's a big one. Oh yeah, right into the cup. He's not huge, but he's pretty good.
Why isn't it? I thought you said they'll pinch you.
I mean, yeah, they will, but it doesn't hurt too bad.
Not too bad.
Those orange tips on his claws. Oh, I see a crawdad. Should we spook him out? That's a good one. We get the cup behind him, distract him with my hand in front, and boom!
Yep.
He jumps right into the back.
What?
Oh!
Uncle John.
I was trying to get some water out and he jumped out. They're getting worms? Oh yeah.
Here, the worm.
All right, everybody's got to reach in and grab a crawdad.
No. You're
We all so
kidding.
scared.
They will pinch us. Get my dog. Right.
All right, we caught a few crawdads.
Here, so hold on. If someone could hold Jack for the bag.
Pretty little fish.
Hold
Okay.
Jack for me.
There's one there.
I'm not touching that thing.
We may try using some of these for bait. We just turn over rocks, catch most of them with a cup, just backing them into it.
Yeah. I don't want to touch it. Hey, touch me.
Just hanging out, warming up in the sun. All right, well, we're done. We caught fish, crawdads. Everybody got to run around, do stuff. Everybody caught a fish, right? Had some fun, different things. So I love coming out to parks and fishing them. And this is a park right by their house. So we came out here, see what was in the creeks. Didn't even fish the ponds yet, but now y'all know there's a lot of fish in here, right?
Yeah.
Who had fun today?
Me?
Nobody had fun. All right, thanks for watching.